بعد لہو وطن کے زمانے میں اچھل رہا ہے، لہو وطن کے شہیدوں کا رنگ لایا ہے، اچھل رہا ہے زمانے میں نام آزادی۔
میک تھوڑا اٹھا
Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, my name is Abid Rahman. I belong to Dhomnagar, Kishanganj. I am a student of class 6. I study at Madarsah, Daral'ulum Aman Nagar, Gach, Paaڑہ, Kishanganj, Bihar. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech about Independence Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all who are present here a very happy Independence Day. So audience, why do we celebrate Independence Day? हम स्वतंत्रता दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? So audience, let's understand that why do we celebrate Independence Day? Dear audience, 15 August is considered the national festival for Indians. That's why it is celebrated every year by the people of this country with great enthusiasm and with pride in this day, the name of freedom fighters. And their sacrifices are remembered, and the main work which is performed in this day is to hoist the tricolor flag. The celebration in this day can be seen at every place, at every part of this country. The people celebrate as the festival of nation. Students partake usually in the celebration. They enchant and live of India. Many other songs based upon freedom of India in schools, colleges and universities, etc. There is painful history behind the celebration of this day. As we are all aware of it that India got freedom after long attempts and after countless sacrifices. The people at that time were dominated by British. There was no limit of operation of British rule. If any Indian or rebelled against British rule was directed into jail, or was killed. As much he oppressed our Indians can't be possible to put forward here, but we can feel the pain of them. His casualty was intolerable, and finally at the night of 15 August in 1947, India got freedom from British rule after shedding track of blood. India got freedom due to unity. No one discriminated each other. Who is Hindu? Who is Muslim? There could be seen unity. They are the example of patriotic for the Independence Day. The people of all religions came together and robbed the British. These are the reason. These are the reason of celebration of 15 August. It's really a great contribution of our freedom fighters who gave us such a beautiful India. I proudly salute to all freedom fighters, their efforts and sacrifices and pay tribute. At last, now I am going to end my speech. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.